all. This is Neha Mittal and welcome back to my channel Classes with Neha. In today's class, I will be taking question number 8 and 9 from exercise 1.1, chapter number 1, Integers from grade 7 NCERT. So why wait? Let's start. The question 8 goes like this. Verify a minus b is equals to a plus b for the following values of a and b. Now what is this question saying? We have to verify this statement. Verify means to prove that something is right or something is true. Now we all know that this statement is true. Why? Because minus is positive. Alright. So for a is equals to 21 and b is equals to 18, we have to verify this statement. And how will we verify? By making LHS equal to RHS. So what is your LHS? This. And what is your RHS? Right hand side, right? So we'll start with LHS and find out the values. Now it is a minus b. What are we gonna do is, we are just going to substitute the values of a and b and calculate our answer. So it is 21 minus 18. Now we all know this minus becomes plus. So 21 plus 18 is 39. So my LHS is 39. Okay. Now coming on to RHS, which is your right hand side, which is your a plus b. Now what is a plus b? Again we'll substitute the values 21 and 18 and we'll add them. Again it comes out to be 39. Since LHS is equal to RHS, I can say that this is verified. Since LHS is equals to RHS, we can say it is verified. Okay, so this is your first part for question number A. Now let's start with part second. Now proceeding to second part. Again we'll find the LHS and RHS for these values of A and B and we'll make LHS as equals to RHS and hence it would be verified. So LHS is equals to A minus B. Again it would be 118 minus 125. Okay. So minus is positive. So it is 118 plus 125, right? Now we are gonna add them. 8 plus 5 is 13, 4 and 2. So LHS is equals to 243. Alright. Now coming on to RHS. RHS is A plus B. So it is equals to 118 plus 125. The result is 243. Since LHS is equal to RHS, this is verified. So this statement is verified for these two values of A and B. Hence, verified. Okay, because LHS is equals to RHS. So this is the second part for question number A. Now we'll proceed to part number 3. Now beginning with part 3. Here A is 75 and B is 84. Again we'll find the LHS and consequently RHS. So LHS is 75 minus 84. Negative, positive. So 75 plus 84. It is 159. Alright. Coming on to RHS. That is A plus B. What we'll do? 75 plus 84 because this is plus, right? 75 plus 84. Result would be 159. Okay. Since LHS is equal to RHS, I can say this is verified. Hence, it is verified. Okay, so this was part 3 from question number A. Now we'll come to part 4 of the same question. Now coming on to the last part of the same question, wherein A is 28 and B is 11. Again, as we have done all the 3 previous parts, we'll calculate the LHS, we'll find the RHS also. So LHS, it is 28 minus 11. Okay. Negative makes a positive. So it is this. It is 39. So my LHS is equals to 39. Okay. Now coming on to my RHS. It is A plus B, right? So it is 28 plus 11. What is 28 plus 11? 39, right? Since LHS is equal to RHS, so this statement is verified for these two values. Therefore, verified. Okay, so this was your part 4 from question number A. Now we'll start with question number 9. Starting with question number 9, first part, the question says, use the sign of greater, less or equal in the box to make the given statements true. What we are supposed to do? We are supposed to put the sign of greater, less or equal to in this box based on the values of both the sides. So we'll start with finding the value of this side and then we'll find the value of this side. So let's begin. Minus 8 plus minus 4 is equals to, plus minus is minus, so it is minus 12. Okay, now coming on to this side, this is minus 8, minus is positive, alright. So this is this, which is minus plus is minus, and sign always comes of the bigger number. So 8 minus 4 is 4 with minus sign added to it. Okay, so we can easily say that इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? -12 and इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? -4. Now which is greater, -12 or -4? Let's draw this number line wherein I have marked 0 and -4 and -12, and mind these values are not up to scale. Now we all know जो भी numbers left side पे होते हैं they are smaller. जैसे 0 के right पे we mark positive integers and 0 के left पे negative integers. सिमिलरली ये -4 के लेफ्ट पे है -12 तो छोटा होगा, जो -4 के राइट हैंड साइड पे होंगे वो बड़े होंगे. तो -12 छोटा है, दैट मीन्स -4 बड़ा है. सो वी कैन इजीली से दैट दिस साइड दैट इज -4 इज ग्रेटर देन दिस साइड व्हिच इज -12. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज योर ए पार्ट फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. नाउ विल स्टार्ट विद द सेकंड पार्ट. कमिंग ऑन टू द बी पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Herein also, I will calculate the values for both the sides and accordingly put the sign. Starting with this side first. It is -3 plus 7 minus 19. Okay, I have just opened the brackets like that. Now, I have to combine the like terms, that is with the same signs. So, -3 minus 19 को मैं पहले परफॉर्म करूँगी, फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसमें 7 को ऐड करूँगी. तो -3 minus 19 is -22. Plus 7, alright. Now minus plus is minus and 22 minus 7 is 15. But answer is -15 because sign always comes of the bigger number. So I can easily say that value of this side is -15. Alright. Now coming on to the other side. Again I will open the brackets. It is 15 sorry, -8 minus 9. Now this is equals to, again herein also I will combine the like terms. So -8 and -9 is -17. And 15 minus 17 is -2. So the value of this side comes out to be -2. अब -2 बड़ा है या -15 बड़ा है? -2 बड़ा है, क्योंकि नेगेटिव में जो भी छोटा होता है वो बड़ा होता है. मैंने लास्ट एग्जाम्पल में आपको नंबर लाइन से समझाया था. So this side is greater than this side. So this was your B part for question number 9. Now we will start with the C part. Now coming on to the C part, 23 minus 41 plus 11 box, 23 minus 41 minus 11. We'll calculate the value of this side first. Again, it is 23 minus 41 plus 11. As I told you previously also, we'll combine the like terms. So these are the like terms. 23 plus 11 is 34 minus 41. Okay, and plus minus is always minus and sign always comes with the bigger number, right? So it is minus 7. 41 minus 34 is 7 with minus sign proceeded to it. Now we'll calculate the value for this. It is 23 minus 41 minus 11. Herein also I will combine the like terms. So 41 and 11 are like terms because they are preceded with the negative sign. So this would be minus minus is positive. So 41 plus 11 is 52. Okay. Okay. Now 52 minus 23 is 29. Now sign will come of the negative number because 52 is greater and 52 के आगे negative है. So we'll get minus 29. So we can say इस वाली साइड की वैल्यू क्या है? minus 7 और इस वाले साइड की वैल्यू क्या है? minus 29. कौन सा बड़ा है? minus 7 या minus 29? minus 7. Why? Because negative में जो भी छोटा होता है वो बड़ा होता है. So minus 7 is greater than minus 29. This was C part of question number 9. Now we'll come to D part. Coming on to D part. 39 plus minus 24 minus 15 box. 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. We'll proceed with this first. It is 39 minus 24 minus 15. Now wherein this and this are like terms, we'll combine the like terms. So minus 24 minus 15 is minus 39. Alright. So this is 39 minus 39. It is equals to 0. So value of this side is 0. Okay. Now we'll proceed with the other side. This is, again I'll open the braces. 36 minus 52 plus 36. Why? Because minus minus becomes positive. Again we'll combine the like terms first. Now 36 and 36 because इस नंबर के आगे कुछ नहीं है तो it is a positive sign. तो 36 plus 36 is 72. 72 minus 52. What do I get when I subtract 52 from 72? 0 and 7 minus 5 is 2. 20. So what is the value of my other side? It is 20. Now 0 is greater or 20 is greater? 20. So this side is greater than this side. So this was your D part. We'll come on to E part now. We'll start with E part of question number 9. Minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 box minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. We'll calculate the value of this side first. It is minus 231. We'll combine the like terms, alright. So plus 79 plus 51. We'll add these two terms. It is 130. Right? Minus plus is minus. So 231 minus 130. I get 101. But 101 के साथ minus आएगा because 231 के आगे minus का sign है. So the value of this side is minus 101. Alright. Coming on to the other side. Again herein I will combine the like terms first. So 159 and 81 are my like terms. I will add these two terms. I will get 240. Okay. Minus plus is minus. So I will subtract 240 from 399. I will get 159. That sign is negative because 399 के आगे negative sign and that is a greater number. So I can say that value of this side is minus 159 and value of this side is 101. Okay, or it is minus 101. Minus 101. So minus 101 is greater or minus 159 is greater. Negative में जो छोटा होता है वो बड़ा होता है. So this side is greater than the other side. So this is all about E bar of question number 9. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, bye-bye.